This one we're going to be going over the annotate function. Annotate function is what we'll be going over today. So let's go over that and see just exactly how we are supposed to use that. It's actually kind of fun and kind of neat. Whenever you share your screen with the other participants in your meeting, they will see the different annotations that you do to your screen or your document that you're sharing. So let's do that. For today's purposes, what we'll be doing is we'll be sharing a document and we'll do some annotation on that. So let's go ahead and begin. So we're in a meeting here. And what you'd want to do is hover below and you'll see the choices that come up here. See where my mouse is hovering. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to share screen, hit share screen. And really, right here you want to be in basics. There's some other choices here, which will be in later videos. But for today's purposes, we're in basics. And as you can see, it gives options of what you exactly want to share. And there's several options here. We can do whiteboard, iPhone, iPad, screen. Several applications that are already running on the PC, you can share that too. But let's go ahead and do annotate a document because that's what most people want to do. They want to share a document and annotate on it and show different points within that document. So here we go. Let's share that document. Well, I'm going to choose that. I have a Word document already open, so we'll go ahead and choose that. Hit share. As you can see, it brought it up. And now we're sharing that. And everybody, all your participants are now seeing this document. The document only is what they're seeing because that's all you're sharing. You're only sharing the document itself, so that's all they're seeing. So always keep that in mind. They're not seeing all this stuff at the bottom. They're not seeing the time or anything. They're just seeing this document. Actually, all this, they're seeing all that document there. So anyway, so to annotate on this document, you want to say, hey, well, look at this point. Look over here. Look over there. So what you do is you see above here at the little drop-down screen, there's several choices here. When you're not on it, it goes up. When you hover on it, it flips down. And it actually says you are sharing your screen, just so that you know that. Okay, so today we're going to go over annotate, and annotate is right over here. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Brings up a little toolbar, and as you can see, we have several options here to use. So we can mark on this document however we choose to point out different aspects of it. So as you can see, you can actually save the document after you get done. Okay, you can clear it after you've written on it. Undo, redo, just like in Word. Little different formats of line widths, eraser, spotlight. You can spotlight different, highlight different things. You can stamp different things with different shapes. Draw, text, select, and move around, and then the mouse choice. So let's try some of these. So we don't have a document here. I just want to, I'm going to use the pen function. We go to format. Let's make it kind of a wide line there. And let's choose a different color. Let's go with this. And see, I can just draw there. Look at this. I want you to look over there and just highlight that area. Okay, so we've done that. So you can undo it. Bam, we've undone it. Let's go ahead and stamp something. So like say you want to point out or, point something out or check something off. We can go, well, we checked that off. We've done that. We've done that today. We've done that today. We've done that. So as you can see, that's very helpful. So and you can undo that too. Just undo that, or you can just clear it. Clear all drawings. So we cleared that out. Next thing is draw. Now this function works best, I feel, it actually works best if you're on an iPad and you have a pencil, or if you have a touch screen and you have a pencil and you're using the draw function. It works very well, and you can basically have a virtual whiteboard in your room, in your Zoom room. So, but that's in a later video. So for today's purposes, this is how you use draw. We'll just right here, and you can just pick different little things. Let's Let's try this. So we'll just take that. And as you can see, it's how it comes out there. And we'll try a different one here. Want a square around something, or so we'll go ahead and clear that. We'll try that square. There, this area right here. Then you can go ahead and maybe change the color. This area right here. Okay, so see, it's kind of doing stuff like that, and you can undo it if you'd like. Okay, text. Just want to put text in there. And see, you can do that also. And then just have text. You can use that. You can move it around. As you can see, the select and move. You can make it bigger. For more text, whatever you need to do there, as you can see. So, all right. So that is going to be about it. You can spotlight something. See, we spotlighted this area right here. And that's a spotlight. So you can go look over in this area. This is hello world. So, you know, that's spotlights. And then just undo everything that you've done. You can do that. See, you can also spotlight like that. And then go ahead and clear the document. And so after you've annotated and stuff, and you've been in your Zoom room and you've held your meeting, you've annotated the document, and you want to save it for later reference, you know, so you can maybe email it out to everybody. What you can do is you can just save it. Go there, save it PDF. You can save it as PDF or PNG. I prefer PNG. Do that. I'm going to just save it. So it saved it, and it actually will save it in your Zoom account, so you will have it. So that's it for Annotate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. You have a good day.